Let's look at Chapter 12, Lesson 7 review. Complete the number sentences. 11 days plus 3 days. I know that that's going to be 14 days, but that equals 2 weeks. 29 days minus 8 days is going to be 21 days, but then I need to divide 21 by 7 in order to get weeks, and I know that that's 3. 120 minutes divided by 2 equals 60 minutes, which would be 1 hour. 22 days plus 6 days is going to equal 28 days, but I divide that by 7 in order to get weeks because there's 7 days in a week, and I know that would be 4. 30 times 8, I know I do 0 and then have 240, but then I need to take 240 and divide it by 60 in order to get the hours. I know that 60 would go into here 4 times, which would mean 4 hours. 2 hours divided by 4, which would be 30 minutes each. 34 days plus 8 days is going to be 42 days, but I need to divide that by 7 to get weeks. That's 6 weeks. 3 weeks minus 4 days. I know that 3 weeks is going to be 7 times 3, which is 21 days. 21 days minus 4 days would equal 17 days. Let's move on to data analysis and probability. For 9 through 11, use either the survey data or the graph. How many students answered the question? I'm going to add up using the survey. I know that 2 plus 6 is going to be 8, plus 8 more is 16, plus 4 more would be 20, plus 2 more would be 22 students. What was the most common response? You can see easily by the bar graph that 2 was the most common response, and that was by 8 students. How would you describe the pattern shown in the bar graph? I would say that the average is shown pretty reasonably, that the pattern has a middle point, but some people have less and some people have more than the middle point, or what we call the average. Remember to explain your reasoning.